Hello everyone, we have here today Abita Naka, the alumni of Vishreshta and now the student of NLU Jodhpur. Let us hear from her.
Hello, hi, I'm Abita Nakka. I'm pursuing BBA LLB National University Jodhpur. The success of getting into a top grade university would be to the faculty here. Three things that we get over here, which is an edge over others, is that the mentorship, the mocks and the trial sheets, and third, by Vishrestha. The mentorship we get from day one is they specify to each and every person and understand their pattern and make sure to be there 24 hours 7 for any doubts we have, any mistakes that we might make, we want to clear it up with. Secondly, the mocks that we give are on par with a lot of all India mocks that we get, and the standard of the paper is equal to the standard of actual CLAT exam. And after each mock exam, we have a discussion pertaining to each section, and which makes us understand how the answer was connected to the passage, which made it easier for the next mock that we got. And the consistent mocks in general made us more accustomed to the paper. And third, by Vishrestha would be the fact that Rajesh sir, who's been a huge support for me, not just getting into the university, and even after that, he has made sure that we understood the essence of the exam before giving the exam, which made us more passionate towards what we were doing. He was there 24/7, not just when we were excelling at the mocks or being great at debates, also when we were not feeling at our best, he was there to push us forward. And he always made sure that if somebody was not at their strongest suit, on how to improve that, and that is one of the reasons why we got to choose Vishrestha.
It was so nice to hear from you, Abita. But what was your strategy for GK and current affairs? What type of notes you were using? What were your pattern of maintaining the GK notes and all?
To be honest, GK and current affairs were not my strongest suits before I even came to the college too. But after I did, and my best strategy that I used was the fact that we would read newspapers, and definitely Rajesh sir in his classes would explain each topic, give their significance, and then also we would connect that to the future events. So it was easier for us to understand because history was already given by sir, and based on that we would do the future and see the timeline of each topic. That would definitely be one of my strategies, and we attempted GK thoroughly in our mocks too. In a lot of mocks, they included GK in a very efficient way in every section. So it made us understand the importance. So we worked a lot on how we could use it for the bits and for MCQs and for paragraphs too.
That's nice. How about legal reasoning, which was the highest scoring section of CLAT examination? Were you discussing the questions? Were you able to read the passage directly? Are you going with the question on the passage? What was your strategy in dealing with the legal section?
Legal, in the academy, we get each and every explanation of the acts that we have. And then when coming to the mocks, as I mentioned, the discussions we've had, and when we used to discuss every question in relation to the passage and what could be the possible answers if not this, which made us understand it more better. And one thing, our faculty would also simplify it in a way so that we understand the essence of the legal reasoning questions and the law that is given in the paragraphs. One clear difference I found out compared to us and others was the fact that our strategy is that we read every question first. Like as soon as we got the paper, we'd read the questions and then start by answering the passages. So that made us have an idea of how the questions were formatted beforehand. So when we would read the paragraphs, it was easier for us to correlate the questions in the paragraphs. And we followed GK first. Then we went with our strongest suits, that could be English for one, legal reasoning for others. Then we went with critical reasoning, and aptitude would be at the last. That's how we strategized, and that's how accurately we tried to make sure we'd answer at least a good number of questions in the mock.
How is now NLU Jodhpur for you, from school to law school? Hope you're enjoying there. Share your experience.
Jodhpur is an amazing city and it was my dream for 2 years. And as I said, I definitely owe it all to Rajesh sir in more ways than one can imagine. And NLU Jodhpur has a different exposure completely when compared to other NLUs. It's what I found when I spoke to my friends who are placed in other NLUs. And I would say that's one place you should not miss ever.
Thank you, Abita. It was so nice having you here at Vishrestha. And your first mission of entering national law universities has been accomplished. And your next mission, big goal of entering UPSC Civil Services. We from Vishrestha wish you all the best wishes for your future endeavors. Thank you.